Imagine a world where technology and creativity collide to unlock the secrets of success on YouTube. In this thrilling journey, we'll uncover the incredible power of AI, making storytelling videos a breeze. With over 6 million subscribers, our mysterious YouTube channel is about to change the game. Are you ready to join us and embark on a journey filled with intrigue and income? Before we dive in, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Buckle up, because it's time to dive into a world where imagination knows no bounds. This mysterious YouTube channel, without a visible identity, rakes in substantial monthly earnings by producing remarkably uncomplicated horror story videos. With a staggering subscriber count of over 6 million, their latest uploads consistently gained approximately 1 million views each, and some of their most popular creations even soar to a remarkable 30 million views. According to Social Blade, their monthly earnings can reach up to $43,000. This raises the intriguing question, can artificial intelligence do the bulk of the work for you? In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can effortlessly create 20 storytelling videos daily using the combined capabilities of ChatGPT and Pictory. This will enable you to embark on your own enigmatic YouTube channel journey and start generating substantial income. So, let's dive right in and explore the creative process. Firstly, we need an engaging story, and to create it, we'll use ChatGPT as our trusted ally. However, there's a challenge we need to overcome. If we simply provide the prompt, "Write a scary story," ChatGPT might produce an ordinary and unremarkable tale that lacks uniqueness and engagement. To overcome this challenge, we'll employ a prompt enhancement technique known as AI Perm, as shown here. I'm using an extension called AI Perm with ChatGPT prompts. Now, the question is, how can you connect this extension to ChatGPT? Just search for AI Perm for ChatGPT on your preferred search engine. Click on the first link. Then add the extension to your web browser. You'll need to create a new account with just a few clicks. Once you've done that, you'll have access to a wide range of prompt templates in the public section. Look for the short story generator template and add it to your favorite. This template is quite versatile and allows you to create a short story based on your description. Simply input a few keywords, such as murder mystery, scary, horror, police investigation, and the story will conclude with a surprising twist. Enter additional keywords for more details and a unique story. ChatGPT has now generated an engaging and one-of-a-kind story for you. With the story in hand, the next step is to create a video. To do this, you'll need images and footage that align with the narrative. Generating relevant visuals for each scene can be a time-consuming and creative process. But there's a solution. Let's use ChatGPT once more to generate image ideas and create the perfect YouTube script. Here's what you need to do. Command ChatGPT to generate image ideas for each scene and craft a YouTube script for your storytelling video. Now that your story has been transformed into a flawless YouTube video script with image ideas for each scene, copy the script and paste it into a Google Docs page. With the video script and image ideas ready, it's time to make the actual video using an excellent text-to-video AI called Pictory AI. If you don't have a Pictory AI account, register for a free trial account. After logging in, click on the Script to Video button. This will take you to the script editor in Pictory AI. Now, return to your Google Docs and copy the first section of voiceover text, then paste it into the Pictory AI script editor. Repeat this process for all the voiceover sections from your Google Docs, pasting them into Pictory AI as you go. After you've copied all the scripts, click on the Process button. Now, choose a pre-made template from here. Next, select the 69 aspect ratio for YouTube videos. Afterward, choose 3 AI-generated visuals and a storyboard. This may take a while, so let's fast forward to the video. Here's our storyboard. Pictory AI has generated visuals for our story, but it produces footage element by element, which can vary. To ensure consistency, we'll change the footage. We'll follow ChatGPT's suggestion for this. Let's return to Google Docs and follow the suggested opening shot footage. For the opening shot, we need a foggy, ominous forest. Going back to Pictory, we'll split the first part of our script and unlink the scene. Now click on Visuals. There's a vast collection of footage available here, but we're specifically looking for a foggy, ominous forest. Here you can find all sorts of video clips available. Thank you for making changes to all the scenes. To alter the audio in the footage, click on the audio button. Now, let's create our voiceover using Pictory AI. If you prefer to use your own voice, you can do that. But for now, I'll select Pictory voiceovers. There's a wide variety of voice models in different languages and accents. Choose one. Next, we'll adjust the background music because the right music enhances videos. You can search for your preferred music here and change the purpose and genre to find the perfect background music for your video. I believe this music suits my video. Okay, we've finished our editing. Now, it's time to export our video. To do that, simply click on the download button. Pictory AI will take some time to export your video. Let's skip ahead through this part. Alright, our video is ready. Let's download it and take a look.
In the quiet town of Hollowbrook, a sinister mystery was about to unfold. Meet Detective Emily Harris, a seasoned investigator known for her unyielding pursuit of the truth. Henry Thompson's cabin held a chilling secret that would shatter the tranquility of this town. The gruesome murder sent shockwaves through Hollowbrook. Emily was determined to uncover the truth, but little did she know, the cabin held dark secrets. As she delved deeper, the cabin...
Now, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload the video to your own YouTube channel and start earning money through ad revenue. Who would have thought that AI could be such a potent ally on your YouTube journey? In conclusion, AI-driven storytelling and video creation open up exciting possibilities for content creators. With tools like ChatGPT and Pictory AI, crafting engaging narratives and visually stunning videos becomes accessible to all. This fusion of creativity and technology redefines the boundaries of storytelling, offering endless opportunities for captivating content. As we embrace this new era, we're empowered to create, inspire, and embark on a journey of endless creativity. So whether you're a novice or a seasoned creator, use the power of AI and shape your path to success, one engaging story at a time. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of another exciting journey through the world of AI-powered YouTube content creation. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed learning how AI can be your ultimate ally in crafting captivating storytelling videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below to join our ever-growing community of creative content creators and tech enthusiasts. If you have any questions, suggestions, or want to share your experiences with AI-powered content creation, please leave a comment down below. I love hearing from all of you, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Just click on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.